Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. It has been a long time since I've done a video standing in front of my workbench and tool wall. And that's mostly because I just really couldn't stand in here. While I was putting the lift in and while I've been doing all the remodeling out in the garage, my wood shop had turned into a total pigsty. It's where I brought everything and set it. For the last week or so, I've been trying to really clean and organize my workshop, the actual wood shop portion. Taken all the sort masters that are in my assembly table. I've got them all organized out, labeled. For the first time in my life, if I need a bolt or a connector or a screw, I can go to the box and know right away where they're at, if I have them, how much I still have, if I need to get more. It's just really a great feeling. It has just taken a load off. So the reason I'm making this video has to do a little bit with planning and organization. Right now I have a whole lot of projects that I would love to get completed before 2020. In the past, when I've had a whole lot to do, I've tried either keeping a notebook, keeping a to-do list, or even making an Excel spreadsheet on my computer. But what I found is, since I didn't look at them every day, it was easy to get sidetracked or not stay focused. And probably the thing I suffer with the most is staying focused. Well, for me, having something big and in my face every day to constantly remind me, to pull me back on track, is a great help. And so I've taken a wall in my workshop and I've done just that. I went to Walmart and purchased 2 10-packs of poster board. And I've listed out everything that needs to be done for me to reach my goals. Now, I'm sure that list will be living, things will get added, things will change. But I didn't just list them out. I actually broke them up into categories, specifically what they're for, so I have a clear plan and a clear picture. I can step back at any time on that wall and get a good idea of overall how much I have to do. But then I can also zero in onto one poster board and focus more on one particular task. Beside each task, I have a box. When that task is finished, I'll color that box in red and mark out the task. Now, I need some help. I need some accountability. I need an accountability partner. I want to have all these checked off by 2020. I haven't counted them, but I would say there are close to 100 items on that list. And there's only about 150 days left in the year. Now, I was able to knock 3 of them off today, so some of them aren't that hard. But some of them are multiple days to get it done. So I just wanted to share with you all what I'm trying and what's working for me. I'm doing this at work right now as well. I put a big poster board right in front of my desk, so every day I look at the things that are the most important to me so I can stay focused. So let me know in the comments, what do you do? How do you stay focused? What's worked for you? What hasn't worked for you? I'd love to hear it. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down, but please tell me why you don't like it. Giving a thumbs down and not telling me why really sucks, because then I can't improve, and I'd really like to try to make these videos better. If you haven't already, check out my Facebook page and my Instagram. I'll put links in the description. I also plan on posting more pictures and comments in the YouTube community side. I haven't done much with it in the past, but I'm going to start doing more of that just so you can know what I'm doing. Another benefit to all that I have to do this year is hopefully that means more videos. Now, they may not be as interesting because everything can't be an epic build. Although I do have one in the pipeline that I'm planning. It's going to be the most incredible thing I've ever done. But everything can't be epic. Sometimes it's just getting stuff done. But I do have a lot of built-ins, a lot of carpentry, a whole lot of things coming up. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.